Assalamu alaikum viewers, from behalf of your live team. I am here. Today our topic is history of NATO. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization, also called the North Atlantic Alliances, is an intergovernmental military alliance between 30 North American and European countries. The organization implements the North Atlantic Treaty that was signed on 4th April 1949. NATO constitutes a system of collective defense whereby its independent member states agree to mutual defense in response to an attack by an external party. NATO's headquarters are located in Avery, Brussels, Belgium, while the headquarters of Allied Command Operation is near Mons and Belgium. Since its founding, the admission of a new member of states has increased the alliances from the original 12 countries to 30. The most recent member state to be added to the NATO was North Macedonia on 27 March 2020. NATO currently recognizes Bosnia and Herzegovina, Georgia, and Ukraine as an aspiring members. In additional 20 countries participate in NATO's Partnership for a Peace program, with 50 other countries involved in the institutionalized dialogue program. The combined military spending of all NATO members constitutes over 70% of global total. Members agreed that their aim is to reach or maintain the target defense spending of at least 2% of GDP by 2024. History of NATO. On 4th March 1947, the Treaty of Dunkirk was signed by France and the United Kingdom as a treaty of the alliances and mutual assistance in the event of a possible attack by Germany or the Soviet Union in the aftermath of the World War II. In 1948, this alliance was expanded to include the Benelux countries in the form of the Western Union, also referred to as the Brussels Treaty Organization, established by the Treaty of Brussels. Talks for a new military alliances, which could also include North America, resulted in the signature of the North Atlantic Treaty on 4th April 1949 by the member states of the Western Union plus the United States, Canada, Portugal, Italy, Norway, Denmark, and Iceland. A long rectangular room with the multiple rows of the seated individuals on each side and flags hanging at the far end. West Germany joined NATO in 1955, which led to the formation of the revival Warsaw Pact during the Cold War. The North Atlantic Treaty was largely dormant until the Korean War initiated the establishment of the NATO to implement it by means of any integrated military structure. This includes the formation of a supreme headquarter Allied Power Europe in 1951, which adopted the Western Union military structure and plans. In 1952, the post of Secretary General of the NATO was established as the organization chief civilian. That year also saw the first major NATO maritime exercise named Main Brace, and the accession of Greece, Turkey to the organization. Following the London and the Paris conference, West Germany was permitted to dream military as they joined NATO in May 1955, which was in turn a major factor in the creation of the Soviet domination. Warsaw Pact delineated the two opposing sides of the Cold War. Doubts over the strength of the relationship between the European states and the United States embedded and followed, along with the doubts and over the credibility of the NATO defense against a prospective Soviet invasion, doubt that led to the development of the independent French nuclear deterrent and the withdrawal of the France from the NATO military structure in 1966. In 1982, the newly democratic Spain joined the alliances. The collapse of the Warsaw Pact in 1989-1991 removed the de facto main adversity of the NATO and caused a strategic re-evaluation of NATO's purpose, nature, task, and focus on the continent of Europe. This shift started with the 1990s signing in Paris of the Treaty on Conventional Armed Forces in Europe between NATO and the Soviet Union, which mandated specific military reductions across the continent. That continued after the dissolution of the Soviet Union in December 1991. At that time, European countries accounted for 34% of the NATO military spending. By 2012, this had fallen to 21%. NATO also began a gradual expansion to include the newly autonomous Central and Eastern European nations and extended its activities into the political and humanitarian situation that had not formerly been NATO concerned. Two tall concrete sections of the wall in a grass lawn is front of the curved building with the blue glass windows. After the fall of the Berlin Wall in the Germany in 1989, the organization conducted its first military intervention in Bosnia from 1992 to 1995 and later Yugoslavia in the 1999. During the breakup of Yugoslavia politically, the organization sought better relationship with the former Warsaw Pact countries, most of which joined the alliances in 1999 and 2004. Article 5 of the North Atlantic Treaty requiring member states to come to the aid of any member states subjects to an armed attack was invoked for the first and only time after the September 11 attacks, after which troops were deployed to Afghanistan under the NATO-led ISF. The organization has operated a range of additional roles since then, including sending the training to Iraq, assisting in the counter-piracy operation, and the 2011 enforcing a non-fly zone over Libya in the accordance with the United Nations Security Council Resolution 1973, the less potent Article 4, which merely invokes consultation among NATO members, has been invoked 5 times following incidents in the Iraq War, Syrian civil war, and the annexation of Crimea. The first post-Cold War expansion of the NATO came with the German reunification on 3 October 1990, when the former East Germany became the part of the Federal Republic of Germany and the alliances as part of the post-Cold War restructuring. NATO military structure was cut back and the reorganized with new forces such as the Headquarter Alliances Command Europe Rapid Reaction Corps established. The change brought about by the collapse of the Soviet Union on the military balance in the Europe were recognized in the Adaptive Conventional Armed Forces in Europe Treaty, which has signed in 1999. The policies of the French President Nicolas Sarkozy resulted in major reforms of France's military position, culminating with the return to full membership on 4th April 2009, which also included France rejoining the NATO military command structure while maintaining an independent nuclear deterrent. Between 1994 to 1997, wider forums for the regional operation between the NATO and its neighbors were set up, like the Partnership for Peace and the Mediterranean Dialogue Initiative and the Europe Atlantic Partnership Council. In 1999-1998, the NATO-Russia Permanent Joint Council was established. Between 1999 and 2017, NATO incorporated the following Central and Eastern European countries, including the several former communist states: the Czech Republic, Hungary, Poland, Bulgaria, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Romania, Slovenia, Albania, Croatia, and Montenegro. The Russian intervention in the Crimea in 2014 led to the strong condemnation by the NATO nation and the creation of a new separate force of the 5,000 troops based in Estonia, Latvia, Poland, Romania, and Bulgaria. At the subsequent 2014 Wales summit, the leader of the NATO member states formally committed for the first time to spend the equivalent of at least 2% of their gross domestic product on defense by 2024, which had previously been only an informal guideline. NATO did not condemn the 2016 present pursues in Turkey. NATO members have resisted the United Nations Nuclear Weapon Ban Treaty, a binding agreement for the negotiation for the total elimination of a nuclear weapon supported by more than 120 nations.